As you know, Argo Glass and Windows specialize in all brand names and types of wood windows and patio door repairs. And today, we're going to show you how to fix rotten stationary door sash. First of all, we need to remove the door from the frame and all wood moldings and weather seal moldings. And here you can see damaged wood. Also, we need to replace the rotten wooden sill, which you'll not be able to see without removing the door. Then, based on all the old parts as a prototype, we cut out brand new pieces and put them back together. Now we can install the new wooden sill and put the door in its place. We install back all the wood molding, weather seals, and the sliding door. The final step is to check that everything works fine and the sliding door locks properly. And here you can see the finished stained product. By choosing Argo Window Repair, you're winning in every aspect. So call now and get your free estimate.